How to create a Gmail account for business. Hello everyone. In this video, I will show you how to create a Gmail account for business. To start the process, open your Gmail application on your mobile device. Now tap on profile icon on your top right. Here tap on add another account. After that, tap on Google. Now tap on create account. Tap on to manage my business. Then tap on next. Now type your first name. Then enter your surname. Tap on next. Now enter your birthday. Then enter your gender. Tap on next. Now pick a Gmail address or create your own. Then tap on next. Now create a strong password. This is how you can create a Gmail account for business. Thank you guys for watching this video. Hope you got some value. Make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel to get notified for new videos. See you in the next one.